let's build this thing. Inside the box, you get the instructions. They walk you through it. I'm gonna do it in my own order. All right, let's get this out of here and see what part we want to start with. Get a bag. Inside of this box, you've got a part with a cable on there already attached and the bottom section. So you're gonna want to be careful when you remove that section. We'll just take it all at once. There we go. Oh, it's already pre-assembled. There we go. Thought we were gonna have to put that together. It's the seat. Be careful opening it. We'll do the seat first. Accessories list. It appears that it can go on either way. Put that on here. And just screw it together real quick since we got it out. Gonna get them all in there loose first, and we'll tighten them up. These are plastics, so you don't want to overdo it. All right, seat done. Let's get this stuff off here so we can see what's going on. This piece literally just goes up on here. It kind of, you can see it's spring loaded. Just kind of snaps into place. You set that up there, and this is a locking nut on the bottom. I think it's already set to the tension, and you just lock it into place. There we go, that's done. Yeah, there we go. Fold that back. This is going to go up here, so this shock is going to go into here. And you can see how the shock hole lines up, or I'm going to have it lined up. So that's where that part at the bottom of the box I found. See if we got the Allen wrench here and the wing nut, or the screw. Put that in there, that in there, tighten it down. Need the Allen wrench to tighten it down all the way. Hold on to this Allen wrench because you might want to make adjustments later. All right, now we're going to do the front section. This is just going to slide in here like this. Looks pretty easy. You can see there's holes right here. So at some point you're going to find your height. You're going to run one of these through there and lock it down. When you put the handlebars on, make sure you put them on the right way so you're squeezing the brakes like this. The wheels, I don't think it matters which way you go. You've got two brackets here, and this bracket's going to set right in between the two of them. Let's get that in place. And we're going to find this piece, and this is the screw on the bottom. And you've got this bracket with a hook on here, so we're going to hook this around the back. I'm going to run this through the hole and put the screw on the bottom. Hand tighten it as hard as I can get it, and now I'm ready to lock it down. I'll set this somewhere for my mom right now, and we can adjust it later. There's that screws on. I don't know if the stitch part goes in the front or back, but it's going on the front. We'll use our last piece. I'm going to run it through this way because you can see that the screw goes inside of there. Last wheel here. There we go. Open the bag. We got a little cardboard bottom on here, so throw that in the bottom. You know what? I'm going to throw the Allen wrench in there too for adjustments. Oh, there's two holes it goes through, and we're going to snap it straight down. Oh yeah, just sits on there, so you can take it off if you want. Okay, easy enough. I'm filming this right now. On the video, unedited, it's 20 minutes with me never doing this before. The handlebars wiggle a little bit, but they're on there tight because of this screw, so this thing isn't going anywhere. I'll see if that bothers my mom, and if it does, I'll wedge something down in here to make it tight. That's the only oddball thing I can see so far. Looks like each brake does both of them at the same time. Looks like you can pull this in. It's kind of hard to pull. Press this button down and you got a brake lock. If you want to release the lock, there you go. All right, we're good. Give it to mom, see what she says.